Another video from FEM team. Today we have a scenario where you have a situation where Tom needs 3000 kilocalories per day to fulfill his nutritional value. Now we have a data table where fat, carbohydrates, and protein kilojoule per gram values are represented. Similarly, kilocalorie per gram. So 37 kilojoule per gram fats and is equal to 9 kilocalories gram. These are the values per gram fat and carbohydrates and protein according to the nutrition which is contained in an egg. So we have a scenario that there is a 100-gram egg which contains 10.2 gram fat, 12.4 gram protein, 0.3 gram carbohydrates. Now we have to first find in kilocal the amount of fat, carbohydrates, and protein in kilocal that 100-gram boiled egg contains. So this is egg. So what we do is uh, from the table we just start multiplying these values with their respective kilogram values per gram. So first one will be, let me use the different color code for your better understanding. So 10.2 into 9 plus 12.4 into 4 and 0.3 into 4 again. Now when you sum it all up, you're going to get a value. Just put that in your calculator. Let me just correct this. So this is 4. So you're finding in kilocalories, remember that? So when you pull out your calculator and type all these values, so you will get an answer of 142.6, 142.6 kilocalories per gram. Okay, now this is the value of fat, protein, and carbohydrate in 100-gram egg. Okay, a boiled egg. Now the question comes that if you have 125 gram of a boiled egg and 88% of that is eatable, which means rest is maybe the outer layer, the shell, which you can throw away. So 80%, 88% is eatable, which will give Tom nutritious value, but his requirement for the day is 3000 kilocalories per day that he needs to be healthy. Now what happens is, first you have to calculate the nutrition which he's getting out from the 125 gram boiled egg. So you multiply 0.88 with 125 to get the value in gram of how much Tom can eat, which will give you 0.88. If you put that in your calculator, it will be 110 gram, which is the weight that is of the boiled egg that he's eating. Okay, and now you have to calculate how many kilocalories he's getting from this 110 gram of boiled egg which he's eating. Now remember, this becomes a ratio question. The more the weight of the egg increases in grams, the more kilocalories will increase. So it's a direct proportion. So if in 100 grams is getting 142 kilocal per gram, so question becomes now how many, let's call that x, kilocalories per gram is getting from 110 grams. Okay. So it's a simple ratio. It becomes like this, and you can see x divided by 142 is equals to 110 divided by 100, and the final value of nutrition which he's getting in kilocalories becomes then x is equals to 110 divided by 100 becomes 1.1 multiplied by 142. Again, mind the value, that is kilocalories. So 1.1 into 142 gives you 156.2 kilocalories that he's getting, okay, per day. If he eats 125 gram, but remember 88% of that is eatable, so 110 grams of boiled egg, and this as a percentage becomes 156.2 divided by 3000, which is Tom's required value of kilocalories that he need. So if you do this, this will become as a percentage only 5.2%. So he needs to eat a lot of such eggs in order to fulfill the value of 3000 kilocalories per day. So that was all about today. Please subscribe to my channel and comment if there is anything else you require help with. Till then, till next video, see you then.